Yeah, welcome to Vex Robotics Philippine Competition National Championship.
We've been supporting this robotics since more than 20 years, 2 decades. We'll be providing a lot more training to make sure students will really understand what is the direction of robotics.
Vex is fun because it's competitive and it's teamwork, it's everything combined, and because of that, it's been something we've been doing now for 8 years, and yeah, we enjoy it.
Naniniwala ako bilang isang guro at coach ng nasabing Vex Robotics dito sa Pilipinas na malaki ang niaambag nito sa edukasyon at kaalaman. Hindi lamang ito nakapagbibigay ng kagalingan, but also nakakapagbigay ito ng magandang experience o eksperyensya para sa mga kabataan.
The favorite parts of learning Vex Robotics is that first, I can improve my coding skills, and second, I can improve my driving skills, and third is that I was so exciting like making my robots and designing and playing.
Robotics is a very rewarding task and it's a very rewarding career, and I think that a lot of schools should consider joining robotics.
I would recommend other schools to use Vex kasi ma-relate mo talaga yung educational aspect nito sa Vex. Yung physics, makikita mo, yung math, relate mo, and magagamit mo talaga.
So I encourage students to join robotics. You'll not only learn how to program, how to build, how to create robot from scrap, but you'll also learn 21st century skills, okay, such as one of them is leadership, okay, collaboration with other teams. You will also learn how to communicate with different students, with different people, and you'll also learn from their robots as well.
Tapahan natin ang bawat isa. Once again, we'd like to thank Xavier School of San Juan, High-Tech Power Incorporated, and Vex Robotics for this wonderful and once-in-a-lifetime event.